In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a snapshot of your site and roll back to a previous version whenever you need to, all from within your Wix dashboard. First, sign into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. This is your control center, and it's where you'll find the tools you need to manage versions of your website. From here, look for Site Actions, then choose Site History. In some interfaces, you may see it labeled as Backups, but both lead you to the same place where previous versions and backups are organized. To create a backup, click Create Backup. This takes a snapshot of your current site version, including your layouts, pages, and content as they are right now. When prompted, give your backup a clear descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, include today's date and a short note like homepage refresh or pre-blog update. Once you've named it, click Save. You'll see the backup appear in your history list, confirming it's stored and ready for future use. Now let's look at restoring a previous version. Return to site history if you're not already there. You'll see a chronological list of your backups and site versions. Take a moment to scan the dates and the names you assigned so you can confidently pick the one you want. Selecting the right version is important because restoring will replace your current editor version with the one you choose. When you've found the version you want, click Restore. Wix will ask you to confirm your choice. This is your last chance to double check the date and name so you know you're rolling back to the correct snapshot. After you confirm, Wix will process the restoration. This may take a moment, especially for larger sites, so let it finish without closing the tab or navigating away. Once the restore completes, your editor reflects that earlier version and you can continue working from there. Restoring doesn't delete your other backups. They remain available in your site history so you can switch between versions as needed. For smoother organization in the future, keep your naming consistent and create backups before you make significant changes such as redesigns or major content updates. It's a simple habit that can save you a lot of time and stress if you ever need to roll back. That's it. Creating and restoring backups in Wix is quick, reliable, and built right into your dashboard. Thanks for watching and happy